Hello, my name is Engineer Kende Afolabi, founder, Managing Director, MakeMass Technology Company Limited. At MakeMass Technology Company Limited, we are primarily into computer-aided design and manufacturing, engineering and product design and development. We are also into 3D printing and CNC machining, machine design and fabrication. It will interest you to know that in 2018, we opened the first commercialized 3D printing center in Osun State. Also, in the same year 2018, we opened the first commercialized 3D printing center in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. MakeMass Technology Company Limited has invested so much in research and development of innovative products. We have a team of engineers, developers, and designers who have vast knowledge in engineering, in products, and in design. With this, we have been able to design and develop several products both locally and internationally. What do I mean by that? We have designed products for manufacturers in the local and international markets. These products are functional products and are doing well in the market. Are you a product designer or you have an idea? You have a product concept. You need us. Contact us. We will help you take your product from an idea to concept, from concept to design, from design to prototype, and from prototype to the real and functional product that is ready to trend and thrive in the local and international markets. I am glad to announce to you that MakeMass Technology Company Limited has relaunched, better and bigger. We are in the city of Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria, and we look forward to doing business with you. Thank you.